Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by REC Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, REC Limited is a Maharatna public sector undertaking company and it's an NBFC company. So they have released the couple of vacancy in finance domain. If you see at serial number 678, there are vacancy for finance and accounts discipline. So at serial number 6, there is a vacancy for Deputy General Manager Finance and Accounts. It's a E7 grade vacancy. Here the pay scale is in the range of 1 lakh to 2 lakh 60,000. There are total 2 vacancy. One is for unreserved category and one is for ST category candidate. Here the upper age limit asked is 48 years. Qualification asked is either a CA or CMA. Experience asked is 18 years post qualification experience with a CTC of 23 lakhs. Then at serial number 7, there is a vacancy for Manager Finance and Accounts. It's E5 grade vacancy. Here the pay scale is 80,000 to 2,20,000. There is only one vacancy for unreserved category candidate. Age limit is 42 years, but here you need to have 12 years of post qualification experience with a CTC of 18 lakhs and above. And at serial number 8, there is a vacancy for Officer Finance and Accounts. It's a E2 grade vacancy. Pay scale is in the range of 50,000 to 1,60,000. Friends, here there are bumper 34 vacancies, out of which 15 are for unreserved category candidate and rest are all for reserved category candidate. Here the age limit asked is 33 years. You need to have 3 years post qualification experience with a CTC of 10 lakh and above, then only you are eligible to apply. Friends, here experience for all these 3 categories is that you should have experience in financial institution, banks, commercial banks, NBFC, public sector organization, government, semi-government or large scale organizations, then you are eligible to apply. Now let's talk about the compensation package. Friends, they have mentioned that you will be paid at the par with the best in the industry, so it will be as per the industry standard, and apart from the basic pay scales, you will be eligible for all the perks and perquisites of the company as per their policies. Eligibility criteria, where the only point for our consideration is that we should be either a CA or CMA to apply for it. Work experience, here there is a special point for all the employees who are working in the government sector, PSC or public sector organization. You should have minimum 1 year's experience in the immediate lower cadre to apply for this post. And similarly, those working in the private sector should have worked at least 1 year in the post with CTC of at least the amount mentioned above. So whatever the CTC they have mentioned, you should have worked at least for 1 year in that post, then only it will be considered as eligible. And they have specifically mentioned teaching experience, period of sabbatical, extraordinary leave will not be counted towards your work experience, so do keep this in mind. Further, for candidate having experience in more than one organization, any gap period of up to 15 days between date of relieving from one organization and date of joining another organization shall be counted as experience. So if there is a break in between joining one organization with the two organization, if it is less than 15 days, then it will be counted as experience. There is a age relaxation for unreserved category candidate. You can check them in detail. And friends, cutoff date for ascertaining age and experience is 15th April 2023. Now selection process, जैसे applicant found suitable shall be called for written test and or interview. So they can either conduct the written test or interview or both, but they have not specifically mentioned what will they do. And here they are saying that if selection shall be based on written test and interview carrying weightage of 85 and 15% respective, where the both are conducted. So what they are saying that if they take both written and interview, then 85 will be weightage for written and 15% will be weightage for the interview. And if the number of applications are high, then the shortlist candidate with higher criteria than minimum eligibility requirement will be considered. Friends, here you need to pay application fee of rupees 1000, and how to apply and all, you can apply by visiting career section on the company's website. And very important, candidate can apply for only one post, and you don't need to require to submit hard copy of the application. If you fill the online application, that will be sufficient. Now important date, online applications are already started from 15th March 2023. Last date of making application and making an online payment is 15th April 2023. So by 12 p.m. you can submit your online application and payment can be done till 11 p.m. 15 April 2023. So do keep this in mind, these dates. So friends, it's really a good opportunity for all my experienced CA and CMA friends. If you want to apply for this post, you should definitely give it a try. Also share this video with your friends and family whom you find that these vacancies might be useful. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.